Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Cooling Ace from Coldeez. So as you can see right here, I have it pulled up on Amazon. So I'm just going to say right off the bat that this product is a scam. Since what this product is they claim that it can cool an entire room just by the size. So it's basically and physically impossible for it to cool an entire room since where will it get the power from? And as you can see, the dimensions of the product is very small. And as you can see, it's just this small, just the size of a table post or a side table on your bed. So how can this possibly cool your entire room? So as you can see right here, on Amazon, it is rated 1.0 out of 5 stars with only 2 ratings. So as you can see, we scroll down here. Let's read some reviews here. So first, return disappointment, scam, junk, 0 stars. So we have it also here pulled up on Trustpilot and see that they are rated 1.6 out of 5 stars with 21 reviews. And before we read the reviews right here, I'm just gonna tell you guys that a lot of you ask me how do I do this research so fast, because I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. The link's in the description down below for you to check out. So with that out of the way, let's read some reviews real quick. So as you can see, this person said that it's total scrap, a disgrace with intentional misleading sales, hype, do not waste your money, how to beat these scammers, the Chinese have been advertising these, 1 star, if I could give this product 0 stars I would, and the list goes on. So please you guys do not buy this product, it is a complete scam and it's basically just a fan. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.